This is Just Tool Basics, and today we're talking about parallel jaw pliers. Hello everyone, welcome to Just Tool Basics. Today's topic is parallel jaw pliers, and what these are, pliers that have a multi-pivot jaw that allows the jaws to stay parallel during operation. Isn't that cool? This set is obviously for somewhat smaller work and includes a little wire cutter on the side that has because of the geometry of the joint, actually has a pretty strong mechanical advantage and allows you to not have to squeeze as hard to cut wires. This set is adjustable with press this button here that allows the jaw to move up and down on this little rack. And then the action of the jaw, as you can see, pushes the lower jaw on this little track, allowing you to have the jaws stay parallel when you squeeze them together. Now this set has these big insulated handles because they're designed for working on potentially live wires. Not that I have used them on live wires because I don't want to tempt fate, but that's what they're for. But let's take this nut as an example. If you just have normal pliers or these linesman pliers, you can put the nut flat on one face, but then the other jaw does not meet it flat, and so potentially damaging your fasteners or whatever you're squeezing, and that may be not what you want if it's, I don't know, a one-of-a-kind fastener that you really don't want to damage. And so this allows you to, got lucky with the spacing there. This allows you to squeeze it and put nice even pressure on opposing faces. And that's how that works. That's really all there is to it. Until next time, this is Just Tool Basics.